In this video, I'll show you how to change color temperature on Redmi phone. If you're using any Xiaomi Redmi device and you just want to change the color temperature, then here's how you can actually do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, it's not to change the color temperature, you just need to open up the settings app from your device, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on display here. Inside the display, if you scroll down a little bit, he'll get you to the color scheme. You just need to tap on these, and inside this one he'll get you to the different colors. So the vivid is recommended, so you can select the saturated, and you can see. And also here you get the standard option, so you can actually select one of these that you prefer most. And also if you scroll down, you'll get to see the color temperature, so you can actually manually drag it to change the color temperature the way you want. And also you can select the different default color that you want. So this is how you actually can change the color temperature on Redmi phone. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.